Let me see here if I have any questions. I've got Smooth Virus. How you doing, sir? He says, we were on Windows 32-bit Windows 7 for years because we had a legacy app agency-wide that wouldn't run on 64-bit systems, and that's why I use that example, because that happens a lot, actually, across the board. It happens not just I thought that was just public sector being cheap, but no, it happens in private sectors as well. It's just whenever you have a very complex system, you're going to have legacy systems that can't very quickly transition to 64-bit architecture or Windows 11 now, right? Like, it just doesn't. That's just how it is. Like, the more complex a network is, the more stuff is going on, you're just going to have that kind of thing. I seriously thought that was just a federal thing, but now that I'm in the private space, I see it all the time. So it's just a matter of how they address it. Okay, let me see if I have any other questions. Thanks for that, Smooth Virus. I appreciate you. Yeah, end of life is a huge issue in security. It's huge issue, ongoing problem across the board, and it's not going to go away. Like, that's really what pays us. Trying to figure out, because not everything's black and white. Like, whenever you get into end of life type issues that you can't fix, like, that's when you get into your plan of action and milestones. That's when you get into your risk acknowledge, risk acceptance. That's when you get into your compensating controls and all that kind of stuff.